Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. Today I am here to discuss about how to create extraordinary relationship in family as well as in the work location. Lot of people feel it's very difficult to create great relationship with spouse or in-laws, sometimes even with the parents in the family, and also in the work location with colleagues or senior managers. In fact, when somebody says I'm happily married, people laugh at them. When somebody says I'm having great time in office, there is no politics, people will just tell them wait for some time till you face it. But if we don't take care of these relationships, it is going to become a problem because you are going to meet them every single day, irrespective of whether you like them or not. So, if we ignore transforming this relationship, it will result in loss of productivity, peace of mind, joy, health, and well being. How about understanding something fundamental which, if we implement, can transform the whole relationship? Right? So, let me tell you a story. There is a train running between the two cities. A lot of people were sitting very peacefully in one of the compartments. Some were reading newspaper, some were taking rest, closing their eyes. And suddenly, in one of the station, a gentleman enters the compartment along with three kids. And you know how the kids are, right? They're always excited and full of energy. They start shouting, yelling at each other. They start jumping around, and it starts irritating the people in the compartment. After some time, these kids starts grabbing the newspaper from others. That's where one of the person gets too much irritated and he reaches out to this gentleman. He says, "Sir, can you please take care of these kids? They are irritating a lot of people here." Suddenly, this gentleman wakes up as though he was in a deep sleep and he says, "I'm extremely sorry. I didn't know what's going on here. In fact, I'm returning from the funeral of their mother. I don't know what I am thinking, and maybe the kids also don't know what they are doing." At that moment, there is a pin drop silence in the entire compartment. Suddenly, people who are complaining becomes more humble, more empathetic. There is a paradigm shift in their thought process, in the way they look at the whole situation. They ask this gentleman, "We are extremely sorry. Don't worry about the kids. We will take care of them." Can you see the difference in the conversation? Earlier, people were relating to this gentleman from what he was doing at that point of time. And when they come to know what he has gone through, they are relating to him from a different thought process. Don't you think we all do the same thing in our office as well as in the family? We judge and evaluate people based on how they behave at that point of time. That's why we always live in the possibility of how can I win over this guy? How can I win this argument? You will relate to this, especially if you're working in the corporate, right? But when we understand other people's, what they have gone through, what are their pain points, what are their struggles and insecurities, we create a new possibility of win-win. The person is same, the situation is same, but the possibility is win-win and the actions are different now. That's how you create extraordinary relationships. I was working in a big organization where I was working with one of the senior guy. Every day he used to change his mind. And I was getting irritated. I am sure you will relate to this, especially with respect to your manager. After some time, I started thinking, what is one thing if I do, this guy will become very comfortable and happy. And as I started implementing, our relationship started becoming better and better. Today, I urge you to consider one relationship in your family or in your workplace. Take that relationship, create a possibility of win win. Try to understand what they have gone through and implement this concept of win win and share the results. I am sure you will come back with more power and more peace of mind. Have a good day.